Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds Moto Buds 270. To enable or disable ANC, you need to use your left earbud. At the back side we have Moto logo, this one is touch area. So, this earbud have ANC, transparency and normal mode. Right now I used normal mode, and if I press 2 times at my left earbud, I will firstly enable ANC. 1, 2, and you will hear a prompt ANC on. Then you press 2 times again, 1, 2, you will hear prompt ambient sound, and this one is transparency mode, so we just enable it. To disable it, you need to also press 2 times, 1, 2, you will see ANC off, and we disable transparency. Then, if you press 2 times, you will return to ANC, and from ANC you will return to transparency. And that's it. These earbuds haven't application, so we can use only gesture to enable or disable transparency mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!